With AI coming, what we're looking for is companies that their advantage will be sustainable.
Amir Zilbertstein is the managing partner at Team8, sitting down with us here in San Francisco, all a part of the ongoing RSAC coverage. It is great to have you here.
Great to be here, thank you.
Team8 has backed some of the most innovative cybersecurity giants in the game, especially over the last few years. Amir, talk to me about some of the common threads you see when you're determining the type of cybersecurity companies you're choosing to partner with and invest in.
Yeah, so obviously we're at the time of AI. That's what's making the most influence on our industry. And we're seeing now and we're looking for companies that are going to benefit from this trend. And we're seeing AI impacting both the attacker's perspective and the defenders. And we're seeing both companies that are using AI to completely change how things happened before, and companies like every other companies that are just using AI to enhance their business. In Team8, we've built an AI Excellence Center that helps our companies succeed.
What most surprises you about the way that attackers are using artificial intelligence in the landscape today?
Well, I wouldn't say surprising, but I'm surprised by but how it manifested in real life. So we've seen even conversations I had with CISOs yesterday. I've met with a CISO who experienced firsthand a deepfake attack. Her organization hired a North Korean person that went through the whole process. He went through interview, obviously using deepfake, but also through security checks and others. And I think given the state of the technology today, I'm not surprised that it's happening, but I am surprised by the extent that it's happening. Every other security professionals I'm talking to experienced some kind of an attack like that. We had last week a meeting with a Fortune 500 CISO. In the middle of a meeting, he got a phone call from his boss, and he got back and told us, yeah, he had a deepfake attack. Again, they've hired a fake employee that doesn't exist, and they caught it. So the extent is staggering. We hear it all the time. I don't think it gets to the media enough, but it's deepfakes, social media, social attacks. We're seeing that a lot.
Wow, that's an incredible anecdote, and thank you for sharing it with us. A lot of venture firms, especially in the cybersecurity space, Amir, they tend to chase hype cycles. How do you know in your gut when you are dealing with a real, durable, cybersecurity innovative company as opposed to something that might be a bit more of the noise?
Yeah, so first, at Team8, we're not getting, I guess, too much into any hype cycle. We're investing in a constant pace. We didn't invest more in the hype of 2022, and we invest less in 2023. So we're investing in a constant pace. And with AI coming, what we're looking for is companies that their advantage will be sustainable. So if it's just a thin layer over someone else's AI model, that may go away. If it's something that the next wave of AI will disrupt, again, that's going to go away. So we're looking for sustainable advantages and not just things that are hyped.
Amir, talk to me about some of the ways that you and your team at Team8 are leveraging artificial intelligence in this environment where AI is so clearly front and center.
Good. So we have a few companies that are solving either new problems, completely new problems that could not have been solved before the age of AI, and companies that are solving problems in a completely different way. And I'll give one or two examples. As you know, now with AI, code is also generated by AI, and developers are now even submitting code without even reading it. So lots of code is generated by AI, and less human interaction is going into looking into that. One of our companies in the application security space developed an AI tester and code reviewer that's going to look into the code that was either automatically generated by a different AI or by humans, accelerating the pace of developments and checks. Another example that we have in the identity space, one of the biggest issues in the identity space is the onboarding. There are many identity solutions, but it takes time for an identity solution to get plugged into the organizational system. Usually it's done by many humans, manual labor, going and adopting application by application. Now with AI, we can do that automatically, and we have a company that's going and doing exactly that.
Amir, finally, while I still have you, what most excites you about the opportunity to back some of these truly innovative companies in the broader cybersecurity landscape?
Well, of course, we're supporting innovation. We like to see new things are coming. The next, I think, big trend coming after AI is agentic AI, and we're going to see more of that.
Amir Zilbertstein is the managing partner at Team8, joining us here in San Francisco. Really grateful for your time, and congratulations on all of the success.
Thank you so much.